Artificial intelligence, AI, is rapidly transforming our world, impacting jobs, daily life, and the skills we need to thrive. AI tools are becoming increasingly common, assisting with tasks and boosting productivity. For instance, AI can help with video editing, but the combination of AI and human creativity produces the best results. It's essential to learn how to use AI tools to stay competitive, and experimenting with these tools can reveal their potential. By 2025, AI assistants will likely be a standard tool for engineers, and by 2026, lightweight coding assistants might be available to everyone. Learning new skills, including basic coding and social skills, is crucial to adapt to the changing job market. AI will simplify some tasks, but understanding the fundamentals will remain important. AI can assist in various ways, from writing essays to creating visual content, speeding up work and increasing efficiency. Exploring AI tools can enhance creativity and productivity. In the long term, AI might help with more complex tasks, like generating business ideas or coding apps, but human creativity and understanding will always be valuable. While AI will transform many aspects of life, it won't replace the need for human connection and competition. AI is a powerful tool that can enhance our lives and work, and by staying curious and learning to use these tools, we can stay ahead and make the most of the AI revolution. Additionally, AI has potential to revolutionize healthcare by providing medical assistance through smartphones, offering better-than-average doctor consultations available 24/7 at a low cost. This could free up doctors to focus on more complex cases and spend more time with patients. AI can also serve as a tutor for various subjects, providing personalized learning experiences for all ages. The future of AI includes a possibility of creating AI versions of ourselves, which could be useful for maintaining connections across generations and enhancing productivity in media and other fields. As AI continues to develop, it will be important to balance technological advancements with human values and needs, ensuring that AI enhances rather than replaces human capabilities.